Hi, I'm Shoon and currently I'm studying the Higher Diploma in Infocomm Technology at BUC.
And I'm Shoon and I'm in my second semester here, also enrolled in a Higher Diploma program.
We're actually twins and honestly, we've always been on the same page when it comes to education. Our mom and a neighbor were chatting about universities after our grade 12 exams, and the neighbor's daughter was just raving about BUC. Mom decided to send us here, hoping for the same success she found. I chose BUC because I wanted to get real-world experience alongside my studies. The Higher Diploma isn't just theory, it's the practical skills that I can apply right now.
Exactly. What really sealed the deal for me was BUC's commitment to hands-on learning. I got to work on projects and learn directly from industry experts, which has been amazing for both of us.
What's been super impactful for both of us is the personalized support. The professors at BUC really cares about your success, and it shows in every class.
Yeah, I totally agree. The practical assignments and coding labs have really sharpened our skills. We're learning things that are relevant to our careers, not just memorizing facts.
Another big thing that stood out to us is the community. BUC feels like family. You're not just a student, you're part of it.
And we've been able to network with students from different backgrounds, which helps in broadening our perspectives. It's been great to share this experience together.
If you're like us, looking to get real-world experience while studying, this is definitely the place to be.
Absolutely. We hope for success and BUC delivers. BUC is a great place to grow, learn, and be truly ready for your next step in the world.
We're so glad we made that decision to come here together, and we've learned so much.
So, if you're thinking about it, take the leap just like we did.
Join BUC and start your journey with us. We'll see you soon.